So, welcome to episode 11 with my second try at an Enforcer run. Well, technically my fourth try because I did try once without recording, then I tried another time without OBS recording, and well, you have seen how the last time turned out. Okay, this time, no getting into indefensible positions, and, you know, getting to the teleporter a bit faster. And grabbing the $25 chest down there. With a secret shortcut, which I discovered a while back. Another jump for the Enforcer is awesome, because the Enforcer does not have mobility, so every little bit of mobility helps. Oh, come on. Yep, just stop spawning so I can get to a nice little chest here. War Banner! Right off the bat, that is awesome. Well, maybe not. We'll see. There is the teleporter, and yeah, if I can kill a little more stuff, then I can get a level up right next to the boss monster, which is going to make the War Banner real awesome. Yeah, you could just die there. No, if I kill it now, that is going to push me over the level limit, and then I have a problem. Let's activate, wait for a few enemies. Wait. Where's the Colossus? Okay, let's level up near... Wait a second, the Colossus should be down there, so if I can get a War Banner over here, that's going to be awesome. See how fast this thing goes down? That's just insane. And I can block stuff, though I'll have to switch sides. And hope I don't die because of that. Before I can get my shield bag up. Or I can just get another level up. I mean, it's fine. I'll take it. And... dead. Increase health regeneration, and armor. Oh, nice. Awesome. You just go over there. And I'll have you just go down. Okay. I'd call that a very successful first level. Okay. Just before the spawn limit. Never mind. I'll just kill you too. That's absolutely no problem for me. Yeah, you, come on. Just don't evade my shotgun blasts. That's a rude thing to do. So, here's another two. Yeah, I think there should be a crab up there, which I haven't killed yet. Okay, you just... I shouldn't have done that. Well, my shotgun still reaches it, so whatever. Up, and... your last one. Boom! And another War Banner. Getting a War Banner on the first level is awesome, because you just get so many of them. That's a healing drone, and... failure, time stop. Do I get 3 jumps? Okay, this is pretty nice. I can now get just about anywhere. Okay, let's... Okay, even better, an achievement. Let's try to make this one just as fast. So that means... gotta find the teleporter. Am I faster while jumping? Would be nice, but I don't think so. Okay, that marks the first difficulty raise. That marks the first imp. That's just down there. Up. There's a portal, and unfortunately I can't get through there, so I'll just do it this way. Ooh, another drone. This is going to be some pretty great post-level shopping. And there we go. What do you have to offer? Nothing? No, my shield does not really work there. Okay, you just stay away from me. Stay away from me. I don't want you. Those imps have a nasty habit of just teleporting past your shield, which just sucks. Okay, but fortunately you can stun them, so that's always nice. And I don't want my drone to die just yet. Oh, maybe I should get away from that fire-spitting thingy. Okay, no, I don't want to kill you just yet. Well, I want to kill you, but I don't think I can. Extra speed, that's even... Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay. Fortunately, drones seem to repair after a while, so let's get the speed, run faster. I guess this also applies to my backwards movement, which is just great for staying on the defensive. Boom. And we're past the time limit. And I don't have enough money for other upgrades, so let's just try this. And that's a totally way... if I can get close to a level up, that could still work out. Nope, can't hit him. I'll have to do it the hard... Oh yeah, I can push him down. Why doesn't anybody tell me? Okay, I should not have plonked it down in that direction, but that works, that works. Yeah, good, okay, good, we're good. That's not enough for a level up. Never mind. If we kill this guy, that should not be enough for a level up. Are there any enemies up there? Yes, this can work. I can stun the Ancient Wisp. That is pretty neat. Oh yeah, and there's a war banner. Good. We're fine. We're fine. Just you go over there. You get stunned, and we're about to finish this. In 3, 2, 1, dead. Oh yeah, and of course the other guys. I should not have released the stance. Never mind. It's going fine, it's going fine. And you die as well. Ah, no, getting past me. That's unfair. Good. 4 remaining enemies, and some shopping to do afterwards. Ah, wait, no. You have to go first. Stay down there. And we're done in 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was a bit too early. But yeah, I made it. That's it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed watching a bit, somewhat more competent run, and see you next time.